Valhalla Toons.
In the previous episode, Morty deals with the Soviet mega-tanks, after which he receives an inhuman order to destroy the tank school and hospital. Morty refuses to complete such a task, and then the command declares Morty a traitor and decides to eliminate the renegade.
Look up, Morty! The rocket's trajectory is aimed at us! We are doomed!
Don't panic. I have an anti-missile smart system. That's enough. I'll surrender to Americans.
But this is a betrayal.
Betrayal is when your commanders give you criminal orders and then try to destroy you. Are you with me?
Sir, let me fire a few more missiles, sir.
Don't spend the ammo! Americans will deal with this fool. They'll take him apart for spare parts. Wait! Don't shoot! Look! He has a white flag! This means he's giving up!
I want to give up, and I want to join the American tank forces.
Okay, big guy! Follow us!
How dare you? How'd you allow such a mega tank to go to the Americans? This is outrageous. You should be punished for such an offense.
Paint me brown, guys. I am ready.
I don't believe him. I think he's an AMI agent.
Time will tell. We should believe each other. You look great. Maybe you can show off your firepower. This is amazing, buddy! Your firepower is like mega thunder.